Hi guys, welcome back again in a new video. In this video, I will talk about left join. Left join, what does it mean? Left join means the which table from your joining again next table. It will return the same table, whole data, and some matching data. Means some ID matching. If it is matching the next data, which data you are joining, that will return the matching data. If it is present, then if it is not present, then it will return the hold first table of data. Suppose I have a some table, so the table that then it will make it clear to you to how we have to join or how we have to do operation on it. So I have a table like marks 1, so select from marks, right, this one, and my select from student 1, right. These are the two tables. In this table have 1 2 3, and this have 1 2 3 4. So I am joining the left join. So from student table, this is the left join I am supposing here, and this is the right table. So it will return the whole data from this table. If some id is matching from here, means 1 to 3, so these data also you will get. So let's join it, then it will make your concept clear about the left join. So select, okay, the student one dot name, right, comma student dot city, and comma the what is the about table name, the marks, right, marks dot uh, marks, right, we have only take marks from here, okay, from the student one table, right. And a left join where you are applying left join on a marks, right, on if the student one dot student id, right, id is equal to the marks dot what have a marks id name, marks id, okay, marks id. Let's check out the spelling. If your spelling will be mistake, then it will. Definition says that left join always return the left table whole data and some matching data if it is present. If it is not present, it will return the null data from there. So this is the left table. Now you see in the two table I am joining here. If you have to connect the means join the three tables, and you also can. How you will do? Let's do it. So I have a table name. Suppose select from from marks, right. This one is one table, and select from the my student. This one is second table, and select from student uh, one. This one is just third one table. I have a three table. Now I am going to join these three table in syntax, okay. So what we will have to select, right, select from this table I am accessing from this student one, right. So student one, and what one will be name, and the student uh, one dot city, okay, and now marks dot marks, and the last table what was that, my uh, student. After that what was that, my student, okay, my student I am taking from the my student the class, okay. So my student dot class, this is these three table I take in four table, sorry, four table I taken from here, these three table, okay, and from student one, right. Now left join where we are applying the join, we have to be careful uh and writing the syntax, left join, where you are applying, firstly I'm applying the student one. Okay, student, no, I'm firstly applying the marks, my student. Okay, by my student, then I will write the marks, right? So let's write my student dot my student. What have we will have to carefully see, uh, my student have id, right? My student id. So we have to write here the my student, and now enter. Now we'll have to write on. This syntax you have to keep in mind proper way, then it will work, rather it will not work. So left join, I joined the my student, then now we have to write the student one, right? One dot student id equal my student dot student id. The id name should be right. You can check out here. The first one is what, my student one dot student id. I written here, and now we have to write the my student dot student id. My student have what, my student id, yes, my student have my student id, and student one also have the student id, right? Now what we have to do, enter. Again we will have to write the left join and marks, my marks, the table name. Okay, the table name. The one mistake I did here, my marks here table name, or let's see the table name marks. Okay, we don't have to confuse here. Marks. This one another, this my marks were another table. Okay, so here is, it will be right to, it will be good to in a writing. Okay, marks is marks. Okay, take. So now what we have to do, marks, I join the marks and hit the enter and on. From the my student, now we compare the next, I mean always we compare the next uh left id from the left one. So this one the first, this one the second table, and now next one table I'm comparing here. So here what we will have to do, we have to compare the next id, the second id, to third one id. Okay, so this is the my student dot student id equal, okay, the dot marks dot what we have, marks dot what we have. So we have here mark id. Okay, marks have a marks id, so that will compare the mark id here, he will return. So when you hit the enter, you will find all the data. Here we go, we have the name, city, marks, and classes also. You join the three tables. I hope this video will be helpful to understand the left join in a detail. I'll meet you in the next video, there you will know the some new topic.